been specialising in newborns for over 4 years. Today I'm going to show you how I do my in-home newborn sessions and still deliver a studio quality finished image using natural light. Okay, so I bring one large suitcase with everything that I need in here. I have my stool, my backdrop stand, and then a small suitcase with my halos because we're doing a baby girl today. And this is it. This is all I bring. If a client wants lots of props in their photos, I will bring more props and they'll be outside of the suitcases. But otherwise, for today, this is all we need. Today, I'm going to take you through everything that I do to have a successful in-home newborn session. During my pre-session consultation, I will let my client know that I will be setting up near a window. I will clear the area and hang a sheer curtain if they don't already have one. I will set my props all out into their sets onto their coffee table or dining table so that I can see everything that I have brought with me and I know which ones to start with and finish with. If baby is awake and ready for a feed, I will check the diaper and change baby and give the baby to mum for a feed while I finish setting up. On the newborn station, I use a thick blanket and 4 other backdrops. Then I will place the backdrop I plan on using first on top. On the newborn station, I use a thick blanket and 4 other backdrops. Then I will place the backdrop I plan on using first on top. Placing the newborn posing beans under all of the blankets on the newborn station. The non-slip mat on the newborn station allows me to know that where I place my beans, they are going to be secure and they are not going to move. Once baby has finished their feed, I will get mum to wipe their eyes to remove any sleep. Using a firm yet gentle touch, I keep my hands on baby to allow them to settle into place. Placing my finger in the baby's hand allows me to be able to roll my finger out, keeping a firm yet gentle touch on top of the baby's knuckles to allow for flat fingers. Once baby is happy and in position, I will place the halo on the baby's head. In this position, I will take between 3 and 6 different angles of this pose. Adjusting the support at the baby's back and bum, I will move it slightly backwards so that I can change baby from tushy up into the side pose. If a baby becomes unsettled and is extremely sensitive to movements and touch, I would gently rock the baby with a firm hand placed on their lower back and bum. A gentle rub between the eyes will help baby close their eyes and promote sleep. Pulling the blanket tight, once baby is settled and in position, I will take the shots that I need for my client's gallery. If I have baby in position, but the lighting isn't falling across their face correctly, I will add more supports underneath, or I will adjust the supports already underneath the baby. Not every baby will go into the position that you want them to go into. For this baby, she was very comfortable with her hand under her chest. She did not want to put her hand under her cheek, so I did not force her. Using natural light has its challenges, especially when the sun will peek through the clouds and then disappear again, adjusting my settings as I go and always keeping note of the amount of light coming through the window. When my client's baby is unsettled, I would recommend wrapping the baby. Leaving the outfit on, I will wrap baby. Once I have got my wrap shots and baby has settled down, I won't need to upset the baby by dressing them again. Once baby is wrapped, I will rock baby until they are settled. Once I am able to put the baby down, even if awake, as long as the baby is not crying, those photos are still worth it. Placing supports and a layer into my props to ensure that baby is safe. Wrapping over the wrap that baby was already in will help baby feel more secure and round baby out so you have less to do in Photoshop. This will give you a beautiful round cocoon.